Can you tell me what is this?
Please give me time to check on this. This is a product labeled VRPrime Scratch Repair and Renew, which claims to repair years of damage in use and comes in a 250 milliliters bottle.
Can you tell me the reviews of this product? Is it really work or it's just a fake?
The reviews for the VRPrime Scratch Repair and Renew product seem mixed. Some users have found it effective for removing paint transfer scratches, while others report it doesn't work well on deeper scratches. It's generally recommended for minor repairs rather than significant damage. If you're considering it, you might want to check more detailed reviews on platforms like Amazon to see if it meets your specific needs. Have you used similar products before?
Well, no, I didn't use it before, but my car have some minor scratches. So do you think that it will help?